today and decide to open up a few boxes. So this one is one I got during the last summer, and I don't mean July and all of that just passed. I mean, I think this was from last year. It was one of those packages sitting and waiting to be unboxed. So I ordered, this is one of those late nights, can't sleep, Banggood. In case you've seen it, I'm sure you've seen it on Instagram. So we're gonna open it up and see what's in here. It says on here that it's shoes. So I know it's shoes at least. See, and I'm sure it was some ridiculously cheap sale that I thought was great because I paid $9.99 for them, paid 20 cents insurance, came to $10.19. All right. Whoa. Well, it's very well wrapped. Oh, it's a little drawstring baggie. And oh, this is pretty strong. I can reuse this. Let's see if I can fit these shoes. Oh, those are kind of pretty. It says, I'm sure that I would have only ordered a size 10 because that's what size I wear. Yes, I have big feet. That's pretty and sparkly. Those are rhinestones. Those flowers, even the white part, are some kind of little stone. It's not rhinestone, but it's some kind of stone. So let's see. I'm not going to show you because I haven't got my toes done. So I will try that on later and see how it fits. And I will post a picture for you to see after I've done my toes. So there you go. Ooh. Let's open the other one. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. I have had an awesome day. I did a makeover for my mascara beauty group, or for a person in my group. So I have had a great day. There they are. There's the pair. And that's not a filter. Those shoes are actually sparkling like that. All right. So I'll let you know how these work in about 3 months. All right. Thanks, hon. And remember, if you are having a good day, help someone else have a good day. It's those small and simple things in life that really make life worth living. Lavish anyway. Don't forget, if you like the content on this channel and find it to be useful, give us a thumbs up. And do that subscribe button down below. Click subscribe.